the most points this week, got 370 points, and the next most points was 338 points. And I'm hoping that somebody here can do the maths. 370, 338. Niet. 32 points, yes. 32 points, well done. And winning by 32 points this week was Phaeton. Well done, Phaeton. And if I remember correctly, we had last week we had Pegasus winning. The week before we had Unicorn winning. So it looks like it's been one house per week. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens next week as the competition hots up. We now have a music item, and we have Eric Hahn playing for us on the violin. That was absolutely exquisite, Eric. Thank you so much for that. Absolutely goosebump stuff. I wonder if Luca Watson is here. Luca, if you would just come up and stand in the front here, please, for a minute. Now, Luca Watson is in grade 4F, and he has completed 3 graded show jumping events since shows were given the green light to resume in July. Now, Luca and his pony secured some fantastic results in the pony riding 1 meter jumping height category. Can you imagine jumping a meter on a horse, over a meter? That's just incredible. So, 31st of July at the Kyalami Equestrian Park graded show, Luca was 2nd place in the competition in 2 phases, and he was 3rd place in the A2 competition. On the 14th of August at Farnham Kyalami Equestrian Park, he was 1st place in the competition and 1st place in the A2 competition. On the 14th of August at the Mampro SA Kyalami Equestrian Park Lower Grades Show, he was 2nd place in the A2 competition. Now what that means is that Luca is currently ranked number 1 in South Africa in the pony riding 1 meter category. An awesome achievement. Please would you put your hands together to congratulate him. You will all know that we have been involved in a Take the Challenge competition against other schools. We've been able to do all sorts of activities against other schools, and we are looking at results this morning. You probably will know that results are issued on a Friday afternoon, and those results explain what happened in the previous week. So results are a week old by the time we get them. And the latest ones that we have are from the 29th of August. So in the schools that have more than 500 children, we are ranked third so far. That's behind St. Andrews and King Edward VII Prep. We're in third place. Behind us in fourth place is Dainfern, then the King's College and Prep School, then Red Hill, and then St. Dominic's. So third place is pretty good, but I'm also hearing quite a bit of conversation around the fact that children and parents and staff are doing the exercise but forgetting to log it. So please don't forget to log your exercise. We really would be thrilled to do better than third place. So let's have a look at that. And now I would like to invite Mr. Botha to come up for a minute. He is here to award some scholarships.
Well, it is absolutely wonderful to actually see children again. I've had very limited exposure to our schools this year because of COVID, and I've really missed seeing kids' faces on our campuses. It's very special, and I think this is the first time I've worn a tie since March, so it's feeling a little bit different for me. But thank you, Mrs. Hillen, for the invitation to be here this morning, and it really is a wonderful accolade to the pupils who have gone through the process of applying for a scholarship to Bolu College and being awarded that scholarship. So with the award comes the history of a huge amount of hard work over the years, and this is the culmination of that hard work in being awarded a scholarship to our college. What I'm also pleased to be able to tell you is that 75% of the Bolu Prep Grade 7s and Kalami Prep Grade 7s will be going to Bolu College next year, and that's our highest number as a percentage, our highest number of pupils that we've retained into Grade 8, which is a great sign for me as well. And for you guys, it means that you get to retain the bulk of your friendship circles going into the college. But I am here for 3 scholarship awards, and I believe that I have 2 of the scholarship winners here today, and so it gives me great pleasure, and I'll call you up one at a time, to award the closed academic scholarship to Bolu College to Miles Goller. Well done, Miles. I'm not going to shake your hand.
Yeah, Donovan's cut.
Well done, Miles. Our sports scholarship for Bolu College goes to Molemo Boloi. Well done, Molemo. And the final award we'll award in their absence is the Exhibition Scholarship, which goes to Shivan Flood. We can just give Shivan a round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Seelan.
So thank you so much to Mr. Botha for doing that for us. We are extremely proud of those 3 of our children. We know that they're going to do us proud, and we know that they're going to do Bolu College proud as well. I know that 8 o'clock is almost here. You have a cycle test to write this morning, and you are going to be doing that shortly. So could I ask you all to stand, please? We are going to be standing at attention, feet together, hands at your sides, up straight and proud. We will be having some music to our school song, and I hope that you are going to be able to sing along with that. Thank you, Miss Grasmilk. That was the quietest singing of the school song I've ever heard. Clearly, we're going to have to do some practicing, and we're going to have to do the little ones, get the little ones to do the practicing with you. Please bow your heads and pray for God's blessing. Go out into the world, have courage, do good, respect all men, help the suffering, support the weak, return unto no man evil for evil. And now may God bless you and keep you. May he make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May God lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Amen. Thank you, children. I'm going to ask you to stand exactly where you are, but I'm going to ask Miles and Mulemo to come down with us into the quad. We are going to have a few more photographs. The rest of you are going to be going off in orderly fashion, because obviously you need to maintain your social distances. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, that your cycle test goes well, and that you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.